Good evening, people. This is Wilhelmina Ford, based in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. I know you have not seen me on my YouTube channel for a month because the guy that I had conference few hours ago, and he was been watching my 5 videos, and he said, "Madam, I haven't seen the new video that you have," and I told this gentleman, I only have a live video when I update the price. Now today, we are now on June the 3rd, 2025. The price of gold today, 108,000.80 refined gold. Unrefined gold, which is 22 karat, is $99,000 per kilo. Previous years, 3 years ago, I only give you the indication, I warn you that in the years to come, the gold will keep on rising and rising and rising. I was not wrong. I was right. Why I was right? I'm a current event reader. I read the international movement of the commodities. Now, I know you've been searching gold everywhere. You've been dealing with a lot of fly-by-night seller, and also you are also fly-by-night buyer. Why I called you fly-by-night? Because you asked for CIF cost insurance and freight only. So that you are category fly-by-night. You don't have cash. You are going to leverage the gold of Africa. Now, few nights ago, I had a conference with the Romanian. This 2 hours ago, I have a conference, a gentleman from India, and he used to live in New Zealand. Now he is now in Dubai. So he's been watching my YouTube channel, and he was been amazed. So he called me on my private phone, and I interviewed him, and I told him, "You registered first your business in Dubai?" Because his business is different. He's on employment. And I told him, "You registered first your business in Dubai. You must have an importation license, and you can apply money laundering certificate online." And he said, "Why?" "Because when you transfer the payment from Dubai bank account, from Dubai bank, from your bank account, from Dubai bank account of yours to Africa, your bank manager will ask you, why are you transferring big money? Africa is a red flag of gold laundering and money laundering as well. So both buyers are smuggling. They try to cut corner. They want to bring gold undocumented. They want to hand carry the gold. Don't do that no more. You need to have a full export documentation. I'm not going to educate you. I'm not a teacher. I learned this through my experience. I used to be in real estate. I was the one who introduced this. Those fly-by-night buyer doesn't believe me, doesn't trust me, so be it, and I wish you good luck. I don't care if you don't like Wilhelmina. I really don't care. We have the gold, you have the money, we can do business. Now you're gonna ask, Wilhelmina, what is your position? That is a very good question. I am your business facilitator. At the same time, I am the extension of the seller. When you come to Wilhelmina, I'm going to interview you live. Yes, people can hear our conversation. So you don't need to be scared. A minute you're gonna be scared, meaning to say you are a smuggler as well. I'm not scared to show my face, my beautiful face. I'm not scared. You're buying commodities. This is $1 million worth of business. You need to be thorough, and I am very thorough as well. And when I bring you to Africa, don't go behind my back. Don't cheat yourself. You don't need to go behind my back. And you, if you are the joker broker, you collect information from my University of Hard Knocks. Seller would not explain to you like this, nah. The seller hired Wilhelmina because the seller is also sick and tired. There is a seller that made a mistake. Yeah. And if you're not very careful, yes, there's a seller that when you come to the counter, he gonna change his price. And the price that we are giving you from now on good for 14 days. And if you cannot complete and if you cannot confirm the price from the previous 14 days, that is the price. But when the price goes up, we'll change the price. Yes, that is why I always update on my platform on Facebook. Yeah, if you are on my Facebook, if you are on YouTube channel, add me on WhatsApp and go on my platform on Facebook. Time to time, I update the price of gold. The price of gold is up and down, it's volatile. Now, at the moment, the price of gold today is 108. That is refined. You are not buying refined because there would be no discount. You can buy that to the central bank of your country. You can buy that to the refinery because refinery would not sell you cheap price. No, refinery is buying gold from Africa. Yeah, Africa is 98% precious mineral produced in Africa. Gold and diamond, gas, cashew, etc., etc. Now our selling price on 22 carats, $99,000 per kilo. You're gonna say, what purity? My gosh, you are not paying attention. You're a businessman, you should know. You do the research. I'm not here to feed you more. I'm feeding you at the moment. Yeah, but you are not paying attention. You're not. So the price of gold is 99 today. But tomorrow, I don't know. The following day, I don't know. Because you have not confirmed your order. That's the reason why I always update the price of gold. Yeah. And you're gonna ask, well, Amina, send me the procedure. To me, you are not really reading. Maybe you didn't go to school. Because if you went to school, you should know the procedure. Click below and subscribe. Click below. Scroll down, you will see the procedure of gold buying in Africa. Now, few nights ago, I have a conference, the Romanian buyer. He is really very arrogant, very, very arrogant. I was listening and he was telling me his sad story. And I told him, I don't want to hear your sad story because you made a mistake. You done it purposely. You are careless because you were been asking to bring gold to Dubai. What happened? The gold didn't arrive because he was saying paying taxes. Why are you going to pay taxes? You have not paid the gold. You have to pay the gold plus the government sales tax. Now our selling price, tax included. Yes. Regardless the price of the world market, we give you 8%. You walk into any seller, he will sell you $100,000. Some sellers sell you undervalued $81,000. That seller is a fly-by-night seller. The real seller would not sell his gold cheap price. African sellers are very wise now. They have an internet. They can see the price of gold. They can see the demand. Wilhelmina is here to help you. Regardless of the price on the world market, less 8% tax included. But if you convince Wilhelmina your credential, I might give you more than 8%. But if you're dealing with a chain of joker broker, you wouldn't go nowhere. Because the joker broker will ask you a commission. We don't pay double commission. Instead, we give you a very good price. Now, Mr. Buyer, do you think You can get gold for free? I don't think so. And also, my services is not for free. We are in business. You come to my YouTube channel, right? You read, you gain knowledge. But if you don't read, you wouldn't get knowledge. And then you come to Alamina that you said you're a buyer. When I interview you, you're not a buyer. You're a fly-by-night buyer. You're asking CIF cost, insurance, and freight. You're asking SBLC. You don't have cash. Why you gonna have a SBLC? Gold is FOB, bank to bank. There is no upfront. You have to travel with Wilhelmina based on your contract. Yeah. You need to send a letter of interest attention to Wilhelmina. After you listen to this video and subscribe and click below, it says read the full corporate offer. You have to click it and scroll down, read it thoroughly. Don't come to Wilhelmina unless you are unprepared, because my question when you come, I'm gonna ask you, how did you found my number? Oh, Wilhelmina, I watched your video, okay? Did you learn it? Oh, Wilhelmina, not really. Oh, you didn't learn. You didn't pay attention. When my seller hired Wilhelmina, my seller didn't explain to me like this. I expanded in order for you easy to comprehend. I was the one who introduced this. I used to be in real estate. You must remember, buying and selling, there's always procedure. Buying and selling, there's always a contract. That's not a verbal, written contract. Yes? So that's the reason why you need to talk to Wilhelmina, because Wilhelmina will interview you. Just like when you apply for a job, you bring your resume. You submit the resume to the interviewer. I am interviewing you live. Your resume means business registration, a copy of your importation license, your passport copy, and the proof of fund that you have $1,000,000 is standby. Yeah, I only want to know if you have available fund. Show me your bank statement. Remove the account number because no one will steal your money. I just want to see that you have $1,000,000. We don't sell 1 kilo, 2 kilos here. Minimum 20 kilos. But if you really good to convince me, I might consider 10 kilos, but very, very tough. Yeah. The seller now would not sell a small quantity. This is for export. This is not for retail. Yeah. Buying 1 kilo, 2 kilos, 5 kilos, you're buying retail. Why not buy to the refinery? Why not buy to the central bank? Central bank needs gold. They are buying gold in Africa. They are refining. England, United Kingdom Central Bank, they needs gold. Australia needs gold. Why Australian mining company is in Africa? Recently, one Australian mining company was arrested in Mali. Why? Delinquent paying the government. Why Canadian was arrested in Mali? Right? Why? They didn't remit the taxes and royalty. Yes, big companies also trying to launder the gold. If you don't understand what is the meaning of laundering, go online. What is the meaning of money laundering? Then you will understand. I'm not going to explain it to you. Now, going back to this Romanian that I have a conference and he called me and he's really very rude. I hung up and then he called me and he said to me, Wilhelmina, are you angry? I said, no, I'm not. You're not qualified. I told him. He said, oh, I've been in gold business for many years. Oh, so why you come to Wilhelmina? You know that gold is money. And he said, oh, we want gold CIF in Dubai. I said, good luck. And then he called me again. I rejected in the last. And I told him, you don't need to keep on talking. You found me on my YouTube channel. You didn't read. And then you're very boastful. And then you tell me sad stories. I don't want to hear your sad stories. Yeah. We have gold in Sierra Leone, Gambia, Mali, and Conakry. Wilhelmina will determine which seller I'm going to put you. Nowadays, I have to be strict. Yeah, in every transaction, there is always discrepancy. There is always argument. That is the reason why you need Wilhelmina. And I don't want to take buyer that he has a least capital. I don't like it anymore. It's too burden to take you. You must remember when you pay my extra service of $20,000 is non-refundable. That's the reason why you need to be prepared, because if I'll take you to Africa and and you're gonna be rejected, then you are a failure. Yes. So that's the reason why I need to gather your vital information so that we will show you the seller's vital information as well. You must remember African sellers are very hard to deal with. They are very rough. If you are very rough as well, sellers are rough. Very. Why they are rough? They are in control. They own this precious mineral. They don't care. They don't care about your money. You want the gold? You have to pay for it. Now, I was the one who encouraged the seller to give you a leeway. You walk into other seller, you talk to other seller, they will give you 5% or 3%. Go Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe gold, they will sell it to you 3%. You don't need to get a profit much. When you resell it to Dubai, to your country, or Europe 1.5, you still make profit. Yeah. So when you deal with us, I negotiate that I am helping you to get more profit. This buyer that I just finished talking to him 2 hours ago said, Wilhelmina, do you think I can get the profit 7,000 per kilo? I said, yes, you can. How? Well, you show me your credential. I will be the one to validate you. Like when you apply for a job, I said to him, when I look at your biodata, you're gonna be hard. You get the job. Buying gold exactly the same. If you convince Wilhelmina that your credential is very valid and convincing, yes, I will renegotiate the price for you because you're paying my extra service. 25,000 this year to next year. When the gold price goes up, I will increase my services as well. Why should I give you for free? I'm giving you free already, but when I travel, it's no longer for free. There's so many fly-by-night buyer come to my platform. They just pretend to be a buyer, but they go behind my back. It's okay. Look at this buyer from Paris. He registered his company in Dubai. We issued 2 landing visa, one from Conakry and one from Mali. He traveled to Mali. And he was being excited. I have a seller in Mali. And he said, Madam, I'm in Mali right now. Okay, that's good. Congratulations. I always encourage the buyer. I said, good. I wish you good luck. So they travel together with the seller, huh? This is a buyer. And they hand carry the gold. When the hand carry, stop over in Ghana. You know, when you recheck in your luggage, they can see on the x-ray machine that something wrong with what is that on the box. So they open the box. So they were being asked a lot of paperwork. So the buyer and the seller traveled together. The seller cut corner. He was being asked, where is the ECOWAS certificate? Because Ghana is a member of ECOWAS. Mali is a member of ECOWAS. So the seller didn't produce the ECOWAS certificate. Bingo! Disaster. So the gold was being withheld in the airport. So both buyers and seller get out in Ghana. So their gold was being withheld. So This buyer, he called me, Madam, I'm in Ghana right now. I said, you are in Ghana? So how long? Now this is my 2 days now. And we have to reclaim the gold. Okay. But the seller is with you, right? Say, yes, madam. But my seller was careless. Oh. So he lost $68,000. Mm-hmm. Yeah, because when you go out from the airport, you stay in the hotel, you bribe because Africa is a corrupt. You bribe custom, you bribe the police, you bribe everything. Mm-hmm. So this is a lesson to everyone. You don't need to cut corner. And if the seller say you buy 25 and then the seller will add 5 kilos in order to make 30, and when you transit and when custom open your metal box and then on the paperwork, on the export documentation is only 20 kilos, and then the seller add 5 kilos in order for you to pay after final assay, that is wrong. That is called smuggling. Mhm. So Mr. Buyer, this video is really good for you. Yeah. And the seller would not advise you. They gonna advise you in the wrong way. They're gonna say, okay, you carry this one, then you pay. I will add 5 kilos, but the export documentation is only 20 kilos. Yeah. And when you ship the gold to Dubai, you need to have a commercial invoice. Where is the commercial invoice? Mm-hmm. The commercial invoice must state what carats and how many kilos. Mm-hmm. And if the custom open the metal box and on the commercial invoice is only 20 kilos, and then when the custom open it's 25 kilos, disaster. Exactly the same what this guy from Finland. He's African. He went to Sierra Leone. He purchased gold. He was given extra 10 kilos. Mm-hmm. And the gold passed through Kenya. He hand carried the gold. Again, disaster. Ah, you guys, you're making disaster. And then you're gonna tell me sad stories. I'm not interested to listen to your sad story. I'm not. I am interested to assist you if you convince Wilhelmina. First of all, after you listen to this video, subscribe and click below. Go through, read extensive full corporate offer. Don't come to Wilhelmina unless you comprehend. If you cannot comprehend, maybe you didn't go to school. Yeah? I went to school. I comprehend. I read it thoroughly before I make a decision. Yeah? When I apply for a job, I have to prepare my resume. Yeah, so that I would be hired. You prepare your resume so that Wilhelmina will hire you, meaning to say Wilhelmina will grant you. Wilhelmina will say, yeah, you're qualified. Yeah, you did meet the criteria. Again, what are you going to submit to Wilhelmina? After you watch this video, show me your credential. Show me a copy of your business registration. Show me your importation license. Show me the certificate of money laundering. You need to apply that from your country. You can apply that online. Show me your passport copy. Yeah? And during our interview must be live. And I will record it. Why? Because if you muck around, I have a file. Yeah. Don't muck around because I'm going to expose you. There was a father and son. They go behind my back. Mm-hmm. So be careful of this woman because if you muck around, I will expose you. Yeah. You remember that. Mr. Seller, whoever you are as well, don't muck around with the buyer. You keep your words, Mr. Seller. This is in general, buyers and seller. Mr. Seller, if you're watching this video, when the buyer come to you, you keep your words. Do not keep on changing. Show the gold that you have. And do not keep an alibi. Yeah? Because I'm telling you, you are going to be in trouble with Wilhelmina. So this is for both buyers and seller. And if you go behind my back, yes, I'm going to record our conversation all the time for my file. And you muck around, I will expose you. Yeah. Don't play games with this woman because I'm not playing games with you. When you pay me my services to take you to Africa, it's non-refundable. You must remember. Yeah. Do you mean to say I have to ask the airline to refund the ticket? You mean to say I have to ask the hotel to refund my ticket? So you must remember, put that into your brain. This is not for you if you have no capital. This is not for you. If you're a joker, broker, this is not for you either. Yeah? Better find a job in your country. This is marketing. We market it. Wilhelmina put Africa to the world. You must remember, Burkina Faso today, I watched on YouTube, there was a diplomat carrying gold from Africa, was intercepted. The captain and the members who carry tons of gold was arrested. So don't cut corner because you are going to be disaster. You might be arrested. There's so many big company also smuggled gold. Yeah, but you are a small timer. Don't smuggle. Don't hand carry. Ship it. Pay the logistic. Insure it. It's safer. Or you talk to Wilhelmina and I will see if we can do something for you. Going back to the prophet, there was a guy from Dubai. I just finished talking to him 2 hours ago. Wilhelmina, do you think I get the profit? I said, yes, you can get the profit. If you meet the criteria, yeah. And you sell it to Dubai 1.5, 8%, you still get a profit. Yeah. We give you less 8% tax included. Sell it to refinery 1.5. That is business. Buy and sell. Yeah. I should not tell you the secret, but I feel sorry for you. I'm helping you here. And also, I'm also helping the seller. Yeah. So I hope this video will give the buyer a reminder. Next year, there is a prediction that the gold will turn to 5,000 per ounce. Now, on 5,000 per ounce, 5,000 times 32.15. Yeah? 5,000 times 32.15. Hang on, my calculator. I'm gonna use my other calculator. 5,000 per ounce times 32.15. This could be the price next year. Now at the moment, the price of gold is 3,361.29 times 32.15. This is the price on the world market. Huh? Today. So the price is getting higher and higher. So that at the end of the year, the price of gold could be 3,600. Multiply that to 32.15. This could be less 8% for this. Okay? Less 8%. So use your calculator. Don't ask me, Wilhelmina, what is the discount? On this video, I put less 8% tax included. Yeah, we can help you if you're long term. Yes, I might consider to give you more than 8%, but don't bank on it because you have not convinced Wilhelmina. You need to convince me because I am the gatekeeper. Yeah, you come to the gatekeeper, the gate is locked because you didn't meet the criteria. But if you meet the criteria, yes, the gate will be open for you. I hope you understand my logic. This is the logic of business. There's so many joker buyer in Dubai. Last month I went to Dubai. I interview buyers. They're full of blah blah blah. I just listen. I can distinguish whether the buyer is real or not. I can. Remember when I was in Dubai, I met a guy. He flew to Dubai to meet me. He's from Norway. And I have an appointment with him. He's a little bit rough. And I come early to the hotel. And he said, "What do you want?" I said, "Well, I have an appointment with you. If you don't want to see me, I'm going to leave the hotel. So don't make an appointment with me," I told him. "When I make an appointment, I come early in order for you to inform that I'm on the lobby having a coffee." So when I told this guy that if you're not interested to see me, I will go back and I will ask my driver. Yeah. So he come down very fast. And I told him I don't like gentlemen talking to a woman. I am not an elementary. You are in business, you must be firm. Because when I have an appointment, I always come early. Hmm? Yes. So this buyer also disaster. Yeah. So but anyway, again and again, I will put the price. Subscribe so that when I have a new video, you will be notified. Click below and give a comment if you comprehend. If you don't comprehend, just give me a comment. "Well, Amina, this can I talk to you?" Because on my YouTube channel, I don't respond. I seldom respond. Why? I'm too busy. Come on my platform on Facebook and Messenger. We can chat. Thank you very much. Have a nice evening. Don't delay because the price goes up half an hour. Tomorrow, today is Wednesday, today is Tuesday. Tomorrow, I don't know the price. So I will update my YouTube channel and also my Facebook so that you're gonna be aware the price of gold every day. Thank you very much. Have a nice evening and good morning to you. I hope this video give you full understanding and knowledge. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good morning and good evening here from Brisbane, Australia.